Hi guys, in this video we're going to talk about frequency diagrams for grouped discrete data. So how can we draw a diagram for discrete data? Let us take one example. For instance, we have marks and a number of students here. So I just give this example from my mind. Let us take mark is 30 and number of students is 2. This means 2 students got 30. Then 4 students got, let us take what, 50. Then 60, again 2 students, and 85 got, 85 number of students is what? Let us take 3. I think it's okay. So, guys, number of students show us the frequencies, because you know that frequency means how many times, for example, something happen, or how many, for example, here we have 30, yes, mark 30, so how many students got 30. So it is the same thing with frequency. Then for the diagram, firstly you should know that, guys, always the vertical axis show us the frequencies. Look at here, that one is our vertical axis, and the horizontal axis show us the data information. Which one is here? It is marks. So let us write here marks, and that one is vertical line. So vertical line show us the frequencies. Which one is here? Number of students. So number of students. Okay, guys, then mark your number in order, from smallest to the biggest. For example, number of students start with 2 till to 4. So let us write here 1, 2. Guys, I just take approximately because it's just blank paper, but you can draw easily on your copybook, okay, because it's squared paper. So then 2, then 3, then 4. Okay, that's it, because we have 2, 3, 4. But mark is what? 30, 50, 60, and 85. So they just in order. So we don't need to write in order our numbers, because they just show in order, smallest to the biggest. So first is 30. Then what's that? 50. Then 60. And another one is what? 85. So guys, we should use bar charts, and you know that how can we draw a bar chart? Bar charts for showing this information, okay? So for example, 30 represent what? 2, yes, the frequency is the number of students is 2. Okay, so till to 2, like that, you should draw 1 bar. Did you see that one? Then 50 is what? Represent 4. So listen, 1, 2, 3, and 4. So till to the 50, we should draw again this one. So, and guys, I want to tell you something. Diagram always help us to see all information briefly and so easily. For example, here when we see our graphs, so we can detect, for example, if the number of students 2, so 2 represents 30, so this means 2 students got 30 and 2 students got what? 60. Both of them are the same. Then 4 students got 50, so we can find our mode, median, mean, then range easily, okay? Then 85 represent what? 3. So 3 students got 85, like that, okay? Or guys, you can use a different color for these bars. For example, that one is green, and then another one blue. Let us take like this. Then one more, for example, like this. Okay, did you see? So, and that one after this, guys, let us write the questions. Okay, that one is our diagram for this grouped discrete data. Okay, this data information frequency table. We just draw a diagram. And then variant A, find mean. Guys, always just students mixed the meaning of mean. Guys, mean for the diagrams or for the frequency table, there is no difference. Always you should write equal to firstly multiplication 30 multiplied by 2, because 2 students got 30. Instead of 30 plus 30, you should write 2 multiplied by 30. 2 multiplied by 30, then plus 4 multiplied by 50, then plus again 2 multiplied by 60, then plus what? 3 multiplied by 85. Okay, then divide by what? Sum of the frequencies. Which one is sum of the number of students? 4, 3 and 2. Okay, so maybe guys you'll get the decimal number because I just give the numbers from my mind, that's why. So 2 times 30 gonna be 60 here, then 200, then 120, then 5, 255. Okay, so divide by what? 4, 3, 7 plus 2 is 9. So good. It's just simple calculation. 200 plus 120, 320 plus 60, 380, 380 plus 250 gonna be what? 5, 3, 635. Oh, sorry, it's 5. Divide by 9. So this means it is divided by 9 what times? 7 times, so 63. Then 5 can't divide by 9, so we should add zeros. 50 divided by 9 what times? Let us take 5 times. 5 times 9, 45. Just it's recurring. So I get the recurring numbers, but let us write 7.5 approximately. Okay, approximately, because 5 is recurring. That's why I don't write like 555 or just with dot. Okay, so it is mean. But what about median? Guys, for the median, firstly mode and median. Guys, for the mode you should find the highest frequency. For example, which one is the highest? But don't look at here. You should find that one first. The 4. 4 is the highest frequencies. 4 represent what? 50. This means your frequency should be 50, not 85, okay? Because some students, again, confused. They just take the biggest number here, but you don't need. You should find the biggest frequency, which one is 4. Then 4 represent what? 50. So 50 is your model, okay? Model, or it is right here, mode. Guys, mode and model are the same thing. That's why I want to write on the bracket is equal to what? 50. 50. Okay. So then question C, variant C, we need to find median. Guys, for the median, firstly you should, I told you, you should add all the frequencies. 4, 3, 7 plus 2, 9. So 9 is what? Odd number. For the odd number, this means you need to find the number from the middle. So if you have 9 number, so which one is the middle one? Okay, here, variant C, median. The sum of all frequencies is 9. So 9 is odd number. For the odd number, odd numbers, we need to find the, middle one. And did you remember I told you how can you find the number in the middle for the odd, for the even? For example, this one is odd. So if you can't, for example, thinking about the numbers, you can find like that. firstly, 9 minus 1, it is 8, yes, because like that, 9 minus 1, 8, divided by 2, 4. Then 4 plus 1, then add 1. There is no difference, just 4 plus 1 is equal to 5. This means 5 is the middle one. Let us check. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So 4 and 4 here. Did you see? The middle one is 5. So that method always true. For example, if you got 43 and you can't thinking about 43, middle number for 43, so you can find like that, 43 minus 1 divided by 2, then add 1. Okay, so that's it, guys. I hope you can get it. For any question you can ask me, you can write to my Gmail. Okay, so thank you for your watching, and I want to show you like that. Okay, I hope it's clear to see. Did you see that? Okay, bye bye.